Contestant 31. Okay, mag-hello-hello ka muna daw. Hello to your family and friends. At ito yung microphone mo. Ano ang iyong talent? Dancing.
Majorette.
Ay! Majorette! Kaya pala meron siyang baton. Okay, so, galingan mo. Naka-ready na yung mga video camera nila. Okay, so, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. We're all excited for your act. Say, get ready for me. Sabi mo, get ready.
Tito, ready.
Kasi ready na ako.
Kasi ready na.
Okay, ready na daw siya. A round of applause for contestant 31.
Talikod! Talikod!
Wow! Grabe naman ang energy ng mga songs at saka yung pag ganon-ganon. Can you teach me? Paano ba ginagawa yan? Isang Wow! So kailangan malakas yung arms. Yes? Okay. So again, palakpakan natin. Contestant 31! Happy yung family mo. Punta na muna. Get your Jollibee and you can join your family.